Ganito pa yan. Pag nilabas ang track na to.
Ay, may nagsabi po. Ano ba?
Kala ko totoong Sean.
May nagsabi pogi nang naka-hair clip.
So, ginagaya mo si Brent ngayon. Alam mo, sabi ko na nga ba, pare-pareho lang lahat ng lalaki.
Uy, binasa ko lang yung comment.
Sabi ko na, pare-pareho lang kayong lahat. Wala, pinagtatawanan niyo lang ako.
My precious.
Where na si Brent? Huwag niyong hanapin yung wala, di ba? Nahanap niyo eh.
Ano
Oh,
ba?
12, 19 na. 12:20.
Sige.
Kasi I can't let you go that ano eh.
Wala. Sige, 12:20.
12:20.
Ano ba? Crush niya sa Ellen. Fifth year ka na, Nigo. I'm fourth year. Incoming fourth year.
Ano ba yun?
Bakit?
At ano yung kinagsend siya ng motor? Oh, like she sent a motorcycle and it's like a technological motorcycle. Yeah, it cost a lot, but my love for you
It's priceless.
yes, is beyond that price. Huh? Ang hirap mong mahalin, Miko.
What are you yapping about?
Ang hirap mong mahalin. Example, mag-aaway tayo. You just shut up, okay? You always focus on your plates and on, oh my gosh, like on your papers and the hell, stop it.
Wait.
Example, nag-aaway tayo, tas English ka. Sige nga, awayin mo nga ako. Kunwari, hindi kita pinansin kasi whole day kang na-plates, tapos ngayon nag-call ka sa akin, tapos parang...
So like, sige, huwag na yung sumisigaw kasi may natutulog.
Yeah.
Yung seryoso lang. So, what's this attitude that you're showing me? What's this attitude you're showing me?
Nothing.
You know naman, I'm just trying to prioritize school. And here you are acting all immature.
Then marry your school then.
Oh, marry my school. How funny. I'm talking to you properly, ah.
You...
Bigla kang umiti.
Wait lang, sorry, Direk. Sorry, last. Ayoko na mag-ngiti. Eto na, ipapakita ko na sa'yo yung YouTube acting. YouTube acting, Charis! Okay. Ay,
Ikaw naman mang-away. Ano ba pwede?
ikaw yung tama yun.
Okay, tuloy natin.
Oo, tama yun. Pero nung una, parang kinakausap mo ako, tapos ako parang, I don't care. I don't care about you na.
Babe, how's your day? Busy?
Okay lang.
Oh, ba't parang ang tamlay mo?
No, it's just super tired all day.
Why? What happened?
Do you have any plates ba?
Yeah, I have a lot to finish ba tonight.
Finish it na.
No, yeah, but I will naman, but you know, gusto lang kita kamustahin.
So like, do I look like a break to you lang?
No, that's not what I'm trying to say. I'm just trying to say na whenever I have the time, of course, sa'yo ko na ibibigay. Teka, hindi ako nang-aaway, nanlalambing ako. Ganun na lang, susuyuin kita.
Kaya nga, Ano?
Oh,
Gumawa ka na. Diyan mo na i-boost yung time mo. Palibasa kasi binuboost mo na yung buong oras mo dyan.
babe. I'm just trying to do well sa school. Kasi, you know, I want to graduate. And when I graduate, I'll find work. I find work, I'll get rich. Then I'll make us a nice house. I'll design us a nice house. With as many cars as you want, or
Ako nga graduating din ako pero nagka-time naman ako. So I've been waiting for you whole day. You didn't even respond.
I'm sorry.
Once.
I was just away from my phone. I'm sorry. Okay, I have no excuses. It's my fault.
It's your fault talaga. Kaya nga, you do you. Pwede, break na nga lang tayo eh.
Hey. Why are you breaking up with me? Why? Ano to?
It's either you break me or you akad break. Diba?
Why?
Take a break na lang kaya and you graduate muna. Diba?
Alam mo, pwede naman ipagsabay yung priorities mo sa school.
That's what I'm talking about. Pwede mo ipagsabay pero hindi mo nasabay. Alam mo kasi, the way you speak is really contradicting on the way you act.
So you're telling me na I'm all talk
Yes.
or actions.
Yes. Exactly.
But you know, I'm trying naman, di ba?
You know, you keep on trying. Why won't you try harder? Kasi the more you study, the more you lose me.
What the hell?
And you're
That's
losing me.
Okay.
Like Taylor Swift.
A while ago, I was trying to hear you out to understand where you were coming from, pero that was the most unreasonable thing you've said so far. What's this attitude about?
Alam mo kung sino may attitude dito, it's you, Migo.
Don't turn this around. I know what I heard.
Ano, all the time na lang ba akong mag-understand sa'yo? Every time na lang ba akong aalahanin ka? What about me? What about my feelings?
No, I understand your feelings, pero when we got together, you told me na you understand. You knew what you got yourself into. So, how come ngayon you're complaining? Parang
Tsaka how sure are you na gumagawa ka talaga ng plates mo whole day? Pwede namang nakikipag-chat ka sa iba dyan.
Oh, why would I do that? Why would I do that?
Because it's not impossible for you to chat.
Ikaw yung
Other girls.
Alam mo, huwag mo silang pansinin. Okay?
Bakit?
Ingit lang sila.
Why?
Kasi akin ka. Wala na, okay na. Buti na, guys.
Naging Rico yan! I mean, I love that, that
The improv.
yes, I love the improv. Okay, pasok ka na. It's a yes for me. I'd rate it 2 out of 10. How much sa guitar? Sige na, amigo.
Oh, guys.
Rina, I thank you so much for your time and for your effort and for your finger style. Thank you.
My friend, so pagbibigyan kita, it's fine. Pero,
Yes.
good.
Good.
I had fun. Like, it's my first live then in...
Yes, I had fun. Do you have fun?
I did. Dapat,
Okay.
Grabe. Parang may chemistry tayo dun, ah. Dami nagsasabi, oh.
Ano yung chemistry lang na nalaman ko, 4 kantos, yun lang. Yung sinisindihan, tapos the alcohol will be, yes, it's flammable.
Joke lang, salamin sa bilit. Yayain mo si Esnir sa school natin, Jed's Island.
Oh, more on physics. Yeah, it's actually a chemistry and the physics collide. Si bakla, bakit yun na naman ako inaaway? Alam mo, joke lang yung tao dito. Masyado kayong ano. Sorry about that.
Ano tong ano? Happy 250k.
Ikaw?
Ako? 250?
I think. Yes, congrats, Vigo! I'm so proud of you. I'm just here for you always. I'll be supporting you no matter what. And you know, so much. Yes, right. I'll be always here for you from the very start. I'm here. Thank you so much. Bye na. Sige na, good night, amigo. Thank you so much talaga.
Miss na naman kita eh.
Ikaw din, miss din kita. Sige na, sige na, good night.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Sleep well.
Sweet dreams.
Oo naman, syempre. Ikaw pa ba? Sige na. Good night, good night. Bye-bye.
Buyers.
Paano to? Bye-bye, good night.
Yan. I'll stay for a while pa. And do I have to end it for both of
I'll
us? Or?
stay for you. No, I'll go.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Love you.